Peter, a draw today. Did you expect a Najdorf?
No, not really. I mean, okay, it's very hard to expect anything from Vichy because he plays so many different main openings. I had to consider all kinds of marshals, bishop c5 Spanish, Berlin, or anti-Berlin, simple anti-Spanish or whatever, and then also Najdorf was of course one of the options. But exactly this line I did not expect, and you could also judge. I mean, you could see that I was quite hesitant. I was trying to remember the subtleties of this opening, of this variation, and finally I think Vichy tossed me with some very interesting new idea with this queen c5. And it looks that it's very good for white, but in fact I cannot hold on to my d5 pawn. And all what I could do was what I did in the game. And once I saw that it doesn't matter what I'm doing, the queens are getting exchanged, then white has absolutely zero chances to fight for advantage. And I was also quite short on time. That made no sense to continue. I mean, the position is a dead draw after knight b3, queen e3, rook e4 is probably precise. Rook e4, fe4, queen d2, rook d2, and we get this opposite colored bishop endgame, which does not give any chances for any of the sides. So it was a correct draw.
Thank you.